Well, shifting focus to some breaking news is now coming in. A small aircraft has crashed into Beijing's tallest building is what we're given to understand. This is the latest that we're gathering. A crash that is being reported across media networks about a small plane that has crashed in one of the tallest buildings in Beijing, in China. We'll try and ascertain more details as to what exactly has transpired, but we're given to understand that a small aircraft model has crashed into Beijing's tallest building. We're trying to get you a sense of what exactly transpired, whether it was a technical snag, whether it was something else that triggered this. These are the visuals that you see on your screens. It is a domestically produced light general aviation small aircraft that you see on your screens, which seems to have crashed directly into the building there. We're given to understand that this is Beijing's tallest building. And there you can see that small aircraft that is coming crashing down. You can see those debris flying around as well. The debris that you see on your screens is believed to be of that particular aircraft that went flying straight into Beijing's tallest building. It is a domestically produced small aircraft, light general aviation small aircraft as they call it. That is what seems to have crashed into that building in Beijing in China. As you can see on your screens, these are visuals coming in from China, from Beijing, where the skyscraper that you see on the left-hand side of your screens is the tallest building in Beijing. The parts that you see flying around on the horizon are believed to be debris of that small aircraft, which seems to have crashed into that particular building. Akash now joins us, getting us more details. Akash, what more can you share with us? What exactly happened? How did this small aircraft crash into that building?
Right. So, Poonam, as far as preliminary information is concerned, so we have been told that this was one domestically produced light general aviation small aircraft, that has crashed into the tallest building of the place. We are seeing these shots, but we are also waiting for some sort of confirmation from the authorities. We are learning that this was a B-12PP model, that is their own aircraft, and it crashed into the tallest building. We still don't know as to how many casualties are there, if at all, people have got impacted because of this crash. But yes, we can see the where, in fact, these buildings can be seen, and in fact, the aircraft can be seen. This was one indigenous aircraft of China, is what we are learning. This was a small aircraft. Whether or not